Hey, excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello, sir.
His nose too big to my ears. Oh, and my headphone
Oh, your
destroyed.
headphones. I like your headphones very much, sir.
No.
Nice.
My headphone destroyed for his ear sounds.
Sauce for food. The food will be served shortly, sir. Please be waiting.
Yes, please.
He snores like a pig. He snores like a pig.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving the food shortly. Please remain seated.
Excuse me, sir. What can I get you? Chicken or beef?
Before we get to the food, I heard the nuts here are fantastic. They're so good, they're worth turning the plane around. Get me some macadamia nuts, please.
I'm sorry, sir. There's no nuts. But we do have chicken or beef.
Would you mind checking if there's Korean beef? My taste buds are particular.
My taste buds are particular.
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 No, it's Australian beef, sir.
Let me think about it.
Yeah. What can I get you, sir?
Chicken, please.
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you.
And what can I get you, sir? Excuse me, sir? Excuse me, sir? What can I get you?
Chicken. Chicken, please.
That voice. I know that voice. You're the son of a bitch that slept with my wife! Que si brutos! Because of you, my family is ruined!
My friend, it was love. I'm sorry. It wasn't just a flirt. We're in love. I'm sorry.
Love?
I'm
Are
sorry.
you talking about love? Are you crazy?
It's
Are you
love.
crazy?
It was love. I'm sorry.
I'm going to kill you! I'm going to kill you!
Stop your wrong English. Let's go together. Ogloggle English. 돌발 상황에서도 전혀 당황하지 않고 써먹을 수 있는 오글오글 영어교실. 외국 비행기 안에서 정말 당황스러운 일들이 많죠. 하지만 비행기 안에서 이 세 가지 표현만 알면 전혀 당황하지 않을 수 있습니다. 코 고는 소리가 너무 커서 돌아버리겠네. He snores like a pig.
He snores like a pig.
더 크게.
He snores like a pig.
더 크게.
He snores like a pig.
더 빠르게.
He snores like a pig.
더 빠르게.
He snores like a pig.
더 빠르게.
He snores like a pig.
오글오글.
오글오글.
오글오글오글.
오글오글오글.
오글오글 짹짹.
오글오글 짹짹.
오글짹 오글짹.
오글짹 오글짹.
어때요? 참 쉽죠? 두 번째, 제가 입맛이 까다로워서요. My taste buds are particular.
My taste buds are particular.
Louder.
My taste buds are particular.
Faster.
My taste buds are particular.
Faster, faster.
My taste buds are particular.
어때요? 참 어렵죠? 자, 핵심 표현 세 번째. 이런 일이 일어날 수 있습니다. 너 때문에 우리 가족이 다 파탄 났어. Because of you, our family is ruined.
Because of you, our family is ruined.
천천히.
Because of you, our family is ruined.
더 느리게.
Because of you, our family is ruined.
어때요? 참 병신 같죠? 하지만 여러분들이 차근차근 1 스텝, 2 스텝, 3 스텝 밟아가면서 열심히 공부하면 유세윤처럼 자신있게 오글거리는 영어를 쓰실 수 있을 겁니다. 오글오글오글오글오글오글 오글오글오글오글오글 다음 주에 뵙죠.
광고 브레이크.